this experiment is based on Eigrp, which is Enhanced Interior Gateway Routing Protocol. So I'll configure this network with Eigrp. So how this works is, in this protocol, a router keeps a copy of the neighbor's routing algorithms, and it only sends the information when a change is made. Suppose a change is made in the algorithm, it advertises that change only to the neighbors. Unlike the older versions like RIP, in which the entire routing algorithm is forwarded, advertised to all the neighbors. And in case the router cannot find the specific destination or the algorithm, it will query it to an router and to the neighbor until it finds the proper algorithm. And it also, in this protocol, a router needs to make sure that its neighbor is active so that the continuous transmission occurs. So how it does this is it sends messages like hello, hello, hello periodically. And if it does not receive a message or it says no hello, it will basically assume that it's not working, it's not in a working state. So in this network, I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 networks, and I'll configure this router. So how I configured the router to work on Eigrp and CLI. I've already configured this network, but the command for its configuration is basically you need to go to configure and you need to type in router Eigrp 1, and I would just press enter, and then I would write the neighboring network address. As in router 2, the neighboring address is 3.0, this one and this one. So basically I would write the network address and space the wildcard mask. So basically what a wildcard mask is, suppose my subnet mask is 255.255.5.0. A wildcard mask is basically the inversion of this in terms of ones and zeros. 255s would be zeros and zeros would be 1, and the complement of it would be the wildcard mask. So for a class C, the wildcard mask would be 0.0.0.255. So I'll configure all my networks according to this, and I would just press enter and do all that for all the routers. And so I'll show you the configuration. Enable show running configure, and let's do that again. Show running config. Yeah, so in this you can see, the router is configured with Eigrp, and these are the networks, and auto summary is enabled, and so on for all the routers. I've done this for all the routers, and now I will just do a ping test. So I'll just go from PC1 to PC2, it's successful, PC3 to PC1, successful, PC0 to PC3, and successful. So the network is working fine with the Eigrp protocol, and the experiment is successful.